Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to make this video. The angle is changed, I know, but that is fine, right? This is my look. Well, you guys have asked me a lot of questions about how to add those aesthetic fonts in your videos. So I have already shared a lot of videos on my channel. I have also tagged that playlist in the description box, also in the I button. So if you want, you can go and check that series later after completely watching this video, like how to add those aesthetic fonts, from where you can get those aesthetic fonts, how you can download those aesthetic fonts, and this steps remains the same for both Android and iOS. ठीक है, तो आप दोनों फोन में सेम तरीके से ही कर सकते हो.
To find the top trending fonts, visit the derfont.com. Okay, वहाँ पे आपको top वाला एक section मिलेगा. You will find all the top trending fonts there. You can go and download it and use it. Visit any website to download your fonts. Download it and save to your files. Open it in the files and click on extract. It will get extracted in the folder. Open the app in which you want to use these fonts. Once done, click on text. कोई भी text add कर दो. Write the text and then click on import section. From there, go to files and then import the font that you have extracted. This way you can use different fonts, extract them and import them into your files.
Next thing, what you want to know, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a detailed video about that. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'm glad कि आप सबको ये video बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful रहा हो, because I have shared all those tips and tricks and exactly how you can add those text in your videos. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do comment below and बताओ मुझे कि आपको ये video कैसा लगा. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, what are you doing? And now see you guys in the next video.